Ignite 2021 was not a dream came into reality in one night. It was an intense teamwork of months by a team of an amazing set of Toastmasters, which was chaired by the very next person that I'm about to invite on screen. He is a past president of AATSL and AATSL Emerging Toastmasters Club. He was awarded as the Best Area Director of Sri Lanka for the term 2019-2020. He is the current Logistics Manager of District 82 and the Assistant Division Director, Club Growth, Division B. Please welcome on screen the event chair of Ignite 2021, Toastmaster Jeevana Pradeep. Toastmaster Jeevana, over to you.
Thank you very much, Nepa. Good morning, all of you. One day in July 2020, our district director, DTM Noorul Munawara, asked me to explore the possibility of conducting a school-level speech competition. Accordingly, we planned a competition in person as a pilot project, which came with 3 districts in Sri Lanka, namely Jaffna, Ratnapura, and Galle. The COVID-19 pandemic became a stumbling block to implement our plan. However, we are not ready to take a step back. The 3 districts initially earmarked became 25 districts with the digital platform. That is the start of the Ignite 2021 All Island Best School Student Speech Competition in Sri Lanka. Nepa, can you see my screen?
Yes, Toastmaster Jeevana, we can
But
see.
1 minute. That's a small issue, so give me 1 second to log in again. Sorry for that. How about now? I'm okay, no?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Sorry for the disturb. This event is initiated, supported by and sponsored by District 82 Toastmasters International. District 82 means all Toastmasters in Sri Lanka. The mission of this project as the Ignite team to provide an opportunity for school children across the country to deliver and practice their public speaking skills and be recognized for their competence as effective communicator. This is as the team of Ignite our plan. The objectives are, as team of Ignite, to connect young children from every corner of the country and set the platform for them to unleash their potential. To encourage school students' participation by giving an opportunity to understand public speaking skills and Toastmasters values. To enhance the public speaking skills of school students. To make them aware of Toastmasters and motivate them to join with Toastmasters upon completion of 18 years of age. As a team of Ignite, we held in this contest in 2 segments. First one in junior category, under 13 years. If you or your children born after 1st of January 2008, you are eligible to compete in junior category. Then senior category, if you are born between 31st of December 2007 and 1st of January 2002, you are eligible to compete in senior category. Eligibility criteria of students. This event is open to all students from grade 1 to grade 13 in all schools in Sri Lanka. It means government, semi-government, international, private, and religious institutes. The students should be Sri Lankan residents and Sri Lankan nationals. At the time of request, students should be able to share their copy of birth certificate and detail of proven about your studentship. We don't request the copy of the birth certificate and studentship confirmation in the first and second round. However, we have a doubt about your identity. Where we see your recorded speech, we can request that detail. However, from those who have been selected for the semi-final stage, these details will be collected by one of our organizing team members. Please keep in your mind and be ready if someone requests these details to proceed. Program format. The first and second round of the contest, you have to use the recorded speech. So next, during today's session, so one of our resource person will share the how to send your video. The semi-final stage, we hope to conduct via online platform using Zoom app. And grand finale is a big event. We already planned to conduct as an in-person contest. Same speech will be considered for the both rounds in first and second round. Contestants will be grouped to teams which contest 20 contestants per group, and group are formed randomly selected. So we are not going to bias for anyone. So we are going to select the team for the random. And all sessions we have planned to conduct on Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays only. Contest details. This contest is held in English language. So our Chief Judge DTM Ruwan Jayasuriya will share more details about this. And contestants are to deliver a speech on any preferable topic. It means you can select a topic and you can go with same speech until the final. The time duration for the speeches for the junior category 2 to 3 minutes and senior category 3 to 5 minutes. Dress code: school uniform or formal attire or costume relevant to the speech. And we hope to use the Toastmasters International Speech Contest ballot for judge you. Certificate will be awarded. It means printed certificate will be awarded to all contestants. 40 contestants will be selected from each category for the semi-final round. And first 2 winners of each semi-final. It means we have planned for the 4 semi-finals for each category. And winner of the grand finale will be awarded valuable token of appreciation. We have planned 8 semi-finals and 4 semi-finals from junior category and 4 semi-finals for the senior category. So that is the clear idea if you miss some area. Most popular speaker. Most popular speaker will be selected from those who are selected for the grand finale. And voting session will be conducted via social media. At this moment, we have planned to use Facebook as our social media platform. However, you can get more information after the second round. Then token of appreciation also will be awarded for the most popular speaker. This is our time plan. Acceptance of video recording 18 January to 30th January. Then training sessions for the semi-finalists 21st February. Semi-finals 27th February and 28th February. The grand finale as an in-person event we have planned on 14th March 2021. This is our team to serve you for a better contest. Mentors, event chair, event co-chairs, registration team, resource team, PR team, contest management team, logistic team, chief judge and judges, and media team and general team. One thing we hope to give a live streaming via Event TV television network as a live telecast. If you have any doubt, any clarification and further details, you can contact one of our team members and they are ready to serve you 7 to 24 hours. So you can take down these mobile numbers. Then if you have any doubt or any clarification, you can use the Q&A session button and you can start your asking questions in this moment onwards. Then before end of the session, during the Q&A session, we'll give to answer. Thank you very much. Over to you, our lovely MC Nepa.